Good morning, Cagayan de Oro. It's November 13, 2025, and it's 6:57 a.m. It's gloomy. It's a gloomy morning, and it's a Thursday, by the way. Anyway, traffic situation here at Uptown CDO. We have a slight congestion at the specific intersections like Xavier Heights, slight in the DSWD entrance and down to XU. Down going to Rotonda, the road is clear except for here at Price Plaza. There's a slight congestion, but it's manageable, and Ilaya Crossing is still normal, not congested. Stay safe, Cagayan de Oro.